How to fix Facebook add friend option missing problem. So here is a simple and easy guide to fix the add friend option missing problem on your Facebook. So all you have to do is open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Once inside the Facebook, tap on the three dashboard or menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and navigate to your Facebook menu section. Once in there, simply scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy. Then, inside settings and privacy, tap on the settings option available in there. And once done so, scroll down and tap on the how people find to contact you option available in there and simply tap on it. Then, once you tap on it, tap on the who can send you friend request. Then all you have to do is change from friends of friends to everyone. If your who can send you friend request is on friends of friends, then change it to everyone. Then you will see add friend again. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.